Break 53.97 for the 2020-21 hit parade. The rookies graded Prizm basketball card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, September 2nd, 2021. It's 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:34 p.m. Central Time, and 7:34 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Misk 1 spot, Dag 2, Ed 1, Wash 2, Vacay 1, Kylesta 1, Kohambe 1, Bert with 8, the G 1, Bert 6, Abby's Dad 3, Jaw with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Misk on top, Jaw on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Expert on top, Kohambe on the bottom. Expert with the Hawks, Ed Celtics, Expert Nets, Dag with the Hornets, Misky Bulls, Expert Cavaliers, Kylesta Mavericks, Expert Nuggets, Dag with the Pistons, Expert Warriors Rockets, Wash Pacers, Abby's Dad Clippers, Expert Lakers, Jaw Grizzlies, Expert Heat Bucks, Jaw with the Timberwolves, Expert Pelicans, Jaw Knicks, Expert Thunder, Abby's Dad Magic, Expert 76ers, Wash Suns, the G Trailblazers, Expert Kings, Vacay Spurs, Abby's Dad Raptors, Expert Jazz, and last but not least, Kohambe with Washington. Alrighty, all sealed up. Good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Oh, that one slid out real nice for us. That Luminary is not having it. Whoa. There we go. Sealed and sealed. Said luminaries. My brain was thinking luminaries. All right, here we go. What do we have here? Empty, empty. Who has the Washington Wizards PSA rookie mint 9 Hachimura silver Prizm? Very nice. Here's the back. Who has Washington? All the way at the bottom. Kohambe, congrats. And that was 53.97 for the 2020-21, the rookies graded Prizm basketball card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football jersey. Thanks.